Ladies, we did it!
Yeah.
Yes, we did. So glad it's over.
Creating the Real Housewives of EnviroClean is the perfect project to use to review Galaxy AI. By combining all of the tools in one location, I can create my project from character creation, consistent character scenes, script writing, and video creation. The video generation is amazing because I am able to switch between engines based on the type of video I need. And now I don't have to manage a dozen subscriptions to do it. I'm down from 12 to 4. Okay, that's enough. Let's get started. First, a quick introduction just so you know how it's set up. There's so much here, so it's really easy to get lost. I suggest that if this is your first time, that you start with all tools. Also, you're able to save your favorite in folders. So I've got my Muse folder already set up, and it really saves me a lot of time. All right, let's get started. We're going to use the AI photo restorer, image generator, and the video generator. I really like using, excuse me guys, I really like using the AI photo restorer to upscale low quality generations. And it really makes such a difference. Do you see this? Before, her hand was so blurry, and when you use it, look at this, it just pops. It's also really great for screenshots because I use the screenshots to help create scenes, not to emulate real people. So this screenshot is the position and the pose and setting that I want for my character. But I want to upscale it so that I make sure the engine is able to read all the detail. Now take a look. Look at this. Do you see that? So you really have a great before and after. The detail is so much better because the photo is restored. And now here's the swap. Now we see Erica, but we don't want her in that outfit. We just wanted that position. So now you see, we were able to use, without leaving outside of Galaxy AI, an image editor, and now we're able to put her in her home. Now for the scene we're working on, we're going to need her dressed for the country club. And this is really great about Galaxy AI, is that you're able to go to your previous generations and you can copy your prompts. And that just is great for scene consistency. Now we just need to change Heather's details to Erica. So let's make this gray here. Oh yes, don't forget you can totally use image tags, and you can save images in their library folders. This is really great. So you guys have to really go and try out Galaxy AI. It's everything in one spot. I usually wait a couple of months before I do a review about a product, so the fact that this is my third means I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so let's see what we get. There you go. Now we have Erica ready for the country club. And even though I'm only picking one of these right now, all of these images will be available. I can just go back into my history and pull them. All right. Now I've made all those static images, and then I'm able to then take those and make this video. Oh wait, and I'm supposed to say like, subscribe, and comment. But for real, Let me know what you would like to see me cover in my next video. Okay, bye!